Today I am going to talk about binomial distribution. Bi means two. So binomial means only two parameters n comma p. Normally, binomial distribution is a statistical distribution that summarizes the probability that a value will take one of two independent values under a given set of parameters or assumptions. The underlying assumptions of binomial distributions are that there is only one outcome for each trial. Each trial has the same probability of success, and each trial is mutually exclusive or independent of one another. Binomial distribution is a statistical probability distribution that summarizes the likelihood that a value will take one of two independent values under a given set of parameters or assumptions. The assumptions of binomial distribution are that there is only one outcome for each trial, that each trial has the same probability of success, and that each trial is mutually exclusive or independent of one another. It is a common discrete distribution used in statistics as opposed to the continuous distribution such as normal distribution. The mean and variance of the binomial distribution is mean is NP and variance is NPQ. The variance of binomial variable is always less than its mean. So NPQ is less than NP. For example, 6 dice are thrown 729 times. How many times do you expect? At least 3 dice to show a 5 or 6. So 6 dice. So n equal to 6 and thrown 728 times. So capital N equal to 729. The probability of getting 5 or 6. The question is how many times do you expect? At least 3 dice show 5 or 6. So probability of getting 5 or 6 equal to totally 6. So two values 5 and 6. So 2 by 6 is value is 1 by 3. So the probability of success is 1 by 3 and the failure q is equal to 1 minus p is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. So substitute the binomial distribution formula ncx p power x q power n minus x. X varies from 0 to n. So substitute the n value, p value and q value. So the question is probability of at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6 equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 3. So minimum 3, maximum up to 6. Otherwise 1 minus probability of x less than 3. So 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2. Substitute. Individually you have to find p of x is equal to 0. Then 6 is 0, 1 by 3 the whole power 0, 2 by 3 the whole power 6 minus 0. Suppose x is equal to 1. 6c1, 1 by 3 the whole power 1, 2 by 3 the whole power 6 minus 1. And x is equal to 6c2, 1 by 3 the whole power 2, 2 by 3 the whole power 6 minus 2. And simplify the term. So we get the answer is 1 minus 0.6803, value is 0.3197. So number of times expecting at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6 equal to 729 into 0.3197 is equal to 233 times. So number of times expecting is 233 times. And generally the binomial distribution must also meet the following three criteria. One is the number of observations or trials is fixed. Each observation of trial is independent and the probability of success is exactly the same. Thank you.